Welcome back to Avengers Autos. If you enjoy honest car reviews, deep dives into new automotive technology, and discussions about the most exciting upcoming vehicles, then you're definitely in the right place. Today, we're talking about something very interesting from Audi. The company has just revealed details about its upcoming flagship SUV, the Audi Q9L. And this isn't just another SUV in Audi's lineup. The Q9L is expected to become the largest and most luxurious SUV Audi has ever built, sitting above both the Audi Q7 and the Audi Q8. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the new Q9L, including its design, interior technology, performance options, safety features, expected pricing, ownership costs, and of course the big question, is it actually worth buying? So let's start with why this SUV matters. For years, Audi has been missing something important in its lineup, a true full-sized luxury SUV capable of competing directly with vehicles like the BMW X7, Mercedes-Benz GLS, and the legendary Range Rover. The Q7 has always been slightly smaller, while the Q8 focuses more on sporty styling rather than maximum practicality. That's exactly where the Audi Q9L comes in. This SUV is designed to be Audi's ultimate luxury family vehicle, offering 3 rows of seating, a longer wheelbase, and a strong focus on comfort, technology, and premium design. Now, let's talk about the exterior design. From the moment you see the Q9L, it's clear that this is Audi's new flagship. At the front, the SUV features a massive single-frame grille that looks even wider and more aggressive than the ones found on the Q7 or Q8. The headlights use Audi's latest digital matrix LED technology, which allows the light pattern to adapt automatically depending on traffic and road conditions. Not only does it look futuristic, but it also improves nighttime driving safety. Looking at the side profile, you immediately notice the larger proportions. The Q9L is expected to be significantly longer than the Q7, giving it a strong road presence, similar to the BMW X7. Large aerodynamic wheels, clean body lines, and flush door handles help improve airflow while maintaining a premium and modern look. At the rear, Audi continues its futuristic design language with a full-width OLED taillight bar, a sporty rear diffuser, and subtle chrome accents that emphasize luxury rather than aggression. Overall, the Q9L's design strikes a balance between elegance, modern technology, and bold presence. Now, let's step inside, because this is where things get really impressive. The interior of the Q9L feels less like a traditional SUV cabin and more like a luxury digital lounge. Across the dashboard, Audi has installed a massive panoramic digital display setup. This includes a fully digital driver cluster, a large central infotainment screen, and even a dedicated passenger display. The system runs on Audi's newest software platform, which promises faster response times, smarter voice commands, and AI-based personalization. Over time, the system can actually learn your preferences, automatically adjusting climate settings, suggesting navigation routes, and adapting the cabin environment. One of the coolest features is the augmented reality head-up display. Instead of just showing speed or simple arrows, navigation instructions are projected directly onto the road ahead, making directions much easier to follow. Comfort is another major focus. Thanks to the longer wheelbase, second-row and third-row passengers get significantly more legroom compared to the Q7. Premium materials such as quilted leather, open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, and customizable ambient lighting create a truly high-end environment. For rear passengers, Audi offers optional captain's chairs with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Add in rear entertainment screens, wireless charging pads, and multiple USB-C ports, and the entire cabin starts to feel more like an executive lounge. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the upcoming Audi Q9L is expected to offer several different powertrain options. The base version will likely feature a turbocharged V6 engine, producing around 350 horsepower. For buyers looking for more power, higher trims may offer a twin-turbo V8 engine with over 500 horsepower. Audi is also expected to introduce plug-in hybrid versions, combining gasoline engines with electric motors to improve fuel efficiency while still delivering strong performance. And in the future, we might even see a fully electric version of the Q9. Of course, the SUV will come standard with Audi's famous Quattro all-wheel drive system, providing excellent grip in all weather conditions. An available adaptive air suspension system will allow the vehicle to adjust ride height and suspension stiffness depending on driving mode. When it comes to safety and driver assistance, the Q9L will be packed with modern technology. Expect Level 2 Plus semi-autonomous driving features, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, automatic lane changes, and traffic jam assist. Another interesting feature is predictive suspension technology. Using cameras and sensors, the system scans the road ahead and adjusts the suspension before the car even reaches bumps or potholes. The result is a much smoother ride. Parking will also be easier thanks to Remote Parking Assist, which allows drivers to park the SUV using their smartphone while standing outside the vehicle. Now let's talk about pricing. The expected starting price of the Audi Q9L will likely fall between $85,000 and $90,000. Fully loaded models with premium packages could easily exceed $110,000. That places it right in the middle of the luxury SUV segment, where the BMW X7 starts around $82,000 and the Mercedes GLS begins near $88,000. Of course, owning a luxury SUV like this comes with higher costs. Fuel consumption will depend heavily on the engine choice. The V6 and hybrid models should offer reasonable efficiency, but the V8 will naturally use more fuel. Maintenance can also be expensive since premium vehicles require specialized servicing and parts like brakes, tires, and suspension components cost more than mainstream SUVs. Insurance costs are also likely to be higher due to the vehicle's value and advanced technology. So let's quickly summarize the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Q9L offers an incredibly luxurious interior, advanced technology, a spacious three-row layout, and Audi's excellent Quattro all-wheel drive system. The exterior design is also modern and elegant, making it one of the most attractive SUVs in this segment. However, there are a few downsides. The biggest one is the price. Even though it's competitive within the segment, it's still a very expensive vehicle. Luxury SUVs also tend to depreciate faster, which could affect long-term resale value. Fuel economy may also be a concern, especially with the larger engine options. And like many high-tech vehicles, repairs can become costly once the warranty expires. So the final question, should you buy the Audi Q9L? In my opinion, this SUV has the potential to become one of the strongest contenders in the full-size luxury SUV segment. It combines Audi's beautiful interior design, strong performance options, and cutting-edge technology in a spacious and family-friendly package. If you want a premium three-row SUV with modern technology and high-end comfort, the Q9L will definitely be worth considering. But if fuel economy, long-term ownership costs, or budget are your main concerns, you might want to explore smaller or hybrid alternatives. Overall, the Audi Q9L looks like it could become a serious rival to the BMW X7 and Mercedes GLS. And honestly, it might even push Audi to the very top of the luxury SUV game. Thanks for watching Avengers Autos. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the upcoming Audi Q9L, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments, would you choose the Audi Q9L, the BMW X7, or the Mercedes GLS? More honest car reviews and upcoming car reveals are coming soon on Avengers Autos.